and check out skirts. Which shop is this? Skirts by Barbie. Oh, so this is also your shop. Okay. I see. We got two shops. So what is the difference with this one here? So this one is more about jewelry. Okay. Let's see here. All the words, stand your ground. So this one, I would recommend adding keywords about what this is, because stand your ground orange doesn't really describe this ring. So I would say orange silver ring, and come up with keywords to describe that ring versus, because you don't have the word ring in the keyword up here at all. So that's definitely going to affect you. And I think I would recommend a higher price for the item and then free shipping on it. So maybe sell the ring for like $15 and then offer free shipping. And I also kind of think $15 is a pretty low price. Skirts by Barbie, jewelry is ever my mind. I don't really see the value, the point of this. If I'm someone shopping around, I don't really care that much about your logo. So I would put this lower down. I really wouldn't put this here at all because it's not relevant to the product. If someone wants to see what your what your shop is all about and your logo, they can just come to it. So, and yes, Jen, you are right. The listing title is all about keywords. So you want to think your listing title should be the keywords that people will search to find your products. For this one right here, this looks like a real shiny earring, very, very pretty. So with this one, I would do like diamond earrings, but I mean, it's obviously not diamond. Let's look up diamond earrings. We're going to pull up a lot of real diamonds. So you could do like, you could even try fake diamond earrings, fake diamond dangle earrings. That's got 1,241 results. Now, what else could people search? We could just do gemstone. Or we could do gemstone dangle earrings. 240,000 results, and how we have a huge keyword. But you get the idea. You want to find the keywords that well describe the product. So you could even try like cubic zirconia or something like that. I'm not sure what the stone is here. Glassy white rhinestone. Okay. So you could do rhinestone dangle earrings. There we go. Rhinestone dangle earrings. Excellent. 61,000 results. So this is a big keyword, lots of opportunity. Again, I don't understand your pricing here. $5 seems really cheap. This looks like a real pretty item. So I think you could sell it for more. And I would add more details to your description about the product. Although this has most of the information you need, I would raise the price. And I would improve the keywords on all of your different listings here to make them stand out just a little bit better.